Okay, first we're gonna P3, 1, 2, and 3. Next, P2 together, just P2 together as usual. Now we're gonna do yarn over. With the yarn over, this one we don't need to bring the yarn around the needle because the next one is K. So just go ahead and knit with the yarn over the needle, just like that. And then bring the yarn to the front and then do K2 together again. This time you need to bring the yarn again to the front. K2 together with yarn over the needle. So keep repeating this, yarn over, K2 together until we come to the last 5 stitches. So just keep doing. Here we are, our last yarn over and K2 together. Now, normally the P2 together to back loop is very difficult maneuver. You have to kind of turn around and try to find this back leg of these 2 stitches, which is very, very hard to do. So I have another way that I can show you, which is much easier. So we're gonna do this way easier. Bring the yarn to the front, slip the next 2 stitches knitwise, and then put the stitches back onto the left needle. We just flip the stitch. Now the back loop become the front loop. Now we can just go ahead and pull them together as usual. And this way we get exactly the same effect of how to do that on the back. And then just pull the next 3 stitches as usual. So that's all to it. I hope it helped. Thank you for sending in the question. We'll see you again soon. Bye.